Welcome to the channel. Today on a fun little video, I've got a bunch of these half dollars. They're 40%ers. These things are just ugly. You can see it's just nasty. Here we'll put like a normal one next to it. You can just see the difference. I want to get these clean. I do not recommend cleaning your coins. I only value these as much as the silver weight, so 40% silver. They're not anything special. They're not key dates. They're not errors. Do not clean your coins. And I just want them to look pretty for my collection. So here's a couple I've already done. This stuff really works. I'll show you here what we're gonna use. But this looks okay. I'm not a huge fan of the super shiny coin. I prefer like this kind of patina. And you can definitely tell the difference, but I do not like this. So I'd rather have a shiny, somewhat shiny, to a dirty one. So what I'm going to be using, Tarn-X Tarnish remover, silver plates, sterling silver, platinum, copper, gold, diamonds, whatever it is. It says do not I think it says do not leave on there for a very long time. And so I've done this a few times. Yeah, do not soak for over 2 minutes, but I'll show you the difference. It's pretty amazing. So, and then afterwards I use this silver polish, because you'll see it'll turn it like a weird white color. So I'll just get a couple of these out. Here, we'll go like this. So what I was doing, what I found to be worked the best, found out that worked the best, you get a little cap full, you just dunk it right on there and just let it soak. All right, yeah, I just let it soak. I will fast forward it, so I'm gonna let it soak for a little bit, and I will be right back. All right, I've let it soak for a little bit here. I just got a Q-tip. Oh yeah, you can see this stuff just comes right off. Kind of show you here. See how it's just coming right off. This gray stuff here, I have no idea what this is, but some of it doesn't come off. This one's pretty thick on there. Some of it's coming off. These ones, I don't know if these were in a fire or what kind of patina this stuff is. Yeah, see that one? It lightened up. Some of it came off. Not as good as this one. Let's try this one here. Oh yeah. I'll get you a close view here. Look at that. You can just see it just come right off. It's like this gray, this darker gray stuff doesn't seem to want to come off. But there you go, you kind of got that white look to it. Let me do the backs, and then we'll keep going. All right, we got these ones sitting for a little bit now. Let's see how these clean up. See? Oh yeah. Let's clean it up really nice. You can kind of tell it's got like a whiter look to it now. Let's see how this one does. This is the one that didn't really clean up very good on the other one, or on the face here. Let's see. Grab a new. Not too bad. This one I probably have to hit a couple of times. Seems like it's super thick on there, whatever this stuff is. And even the face didn't clean up very good. Probably have to hit that a couple times. Let's see how this one did. Yeah, this one. It's pretty nice here. Still a little bit on this one too. I probably could have let it sit a little bit longer. But it's in the face. Face looks pretty good. So, let me grab a paper towel here. Clean this thing up. Or wipe it off. You could just leave it like this if you wanted. You know, it's got a little kind of whiter. I'll show you the comparison here. That's insane how, I mean, it used to look like this. You know, it's still, this one could go in a couple more. This one, just a little bit on the head there. But, yeah, so here's just a regular one. You see the comparison. It's a little more patina. This is more of a white. Here's a shined up one. You can see. But what I did here, like these ones, I shined them up a little bit. You can still see they got a little bit of that gray stuff on there, but not nearly as much. And that's what I was going for. It doesn't have to be completely gone, just so it doesn't look like complete junk, making the rest of my collection look junky. So what I'll do, take a little bit, get my pink cloth here, a little bit of the silver polish here, get the front, the back a little bit. Just kind of hit it with this. Buffer up, get a clean section. And there we go. We got a cleaned up Kennedy. So I mean, I don't want to polish it, so you can make it look like this if you keep doing it. I mean, this one is just shiny. I don't like that though. So yeah, pretty clean. This is what it used to look like. I mean, it's pretty amazing. This Tarn-X, this one is using Tarn-X, works pretty good. So I hit it with the Tarn-X, and then go with the Weeman silver polish. Works pretty good. I think that Tarn-X works a little bit better than the MS-70. I tried using this. It doesn't seem to work as good. But like I said, do not clean your very expensive coins. These are just worth whatever its weight in silver. I just want I got my little holders. I just want the holders to look nice. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to go around and finish these ones up. But yeah, if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, that helps out a lot, and hit that notification bell so you're notified next one. Thanks for watching.